Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run multiple local AI models at the same time in LM Studio. It could be 2 models, it could be 3, 4, 5, 7, or maybe even 10 if your computer allows it. So basically, you can chat with different AI models. You can also use this feature to test various responses. You can also use it for running some automation or AI agent. Basically, there are many reasons of why you might want to run multiple AI models simultaneously in LM Studio. So let me show you how you can do it in this program. So first, open LM Studio, and as a disclaimer, right now I'm running LM Studio version 0.4.2 with build 2, and if you're using a different version, then it might look a bit different, but I hope you can still follow this video. And also, this feature used to be in a menu called Playground, but in this version there is no Playground as far as I know. So the way to activate different models is a bit different. So basically, you must navigate to the developer section, and then you can click load model, and then you can select the models that you want to run at the same time. So let's say I'm gonna go with the Qwen 3 with 4 billion parameters, and then I'm going to click load model again. As you can see, it is now being loaded, and this time around I'll select Gemma 3 with 4 billion parameters. So as you can see, we got 2 models running at the same time, and I can chat with them. I can use them directly in LM Studio. So I think one use case that I could think of is using LM Studio to run these models at the same time, and I can assess their answer or their responses in some questions. So let's try a new chat. I'm going to click this. Okay, so I guess I have to close this first. Let me just close everything. Okay, now here I'm in a normal window, and I'm going to split this into 2. You can click this split button and then click either split right or split left. So if you click split right, the new window will appear on the right side of the screen and vice versa. Okay, so right here I'll select the model, maybe Qwen. So this will be using Qwen, but this one is going to be using Gemma. So this is Qwen, and then this is Gemma. I guess I'm going to send one test question. I'm going to just send this, and I'll just disable thinking so I can get faster response. Okay. Now, unfortunately, there is no one text box, so you will get 2 different text boxes when you're using this split view in LM Studio. So basically, you cannot control multiple models with just one input or one text box. Each model will have their own text box, so it's not going to give you the best experience, but at least this is one option that we can try. You can run multiple models, you can test them, you can see which model is the best based on your goal, based on your purpose. And there you go. So here I think I'm getting, well, I would say the same level of performance. It is not any slower when I'm running one model, perhaps because I'm running a 4 billion model. It is not big, and given that I have 16 gigabytes of video memory, it is not a big deal for my computer when running multiple models simultaneously. But be mindful when selecting the model, and you have to assess your computer spec and just make sure that it is able to run certain size models at the same time. But yeah, that's basically how you can do it. And if you want to eject them, just open the menu again and then click eject on each model to remove them from your memory or VRAM. So that's how you can run multiple models at the same time in LM Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great